Welcome back to yet another video, and making it to the mix today is Erica, as she asks her followers to advise her on a situation with Dwayne. She invites the peacemakers to come along. Stay tuned for the stories in detail, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Erica shows a clip of Dwayne threatening to box her. She mentions that he is disabled and behaves so, and the boy alone can't go to toilet. She said, "Gotta beat him already." She says that Dwayne calls her 11:59 and he couldn't mention 12 because 12 is when the vampires come out. Yes, she said that's his time of the night when the vampires are alive. I pray that there will be peace soon between the landlord and Dwayne. Here is a glimpse of the video.
Me I look for the part when at the same night he piss up himself. That same night that Ross boy piss up himself. I mean if in this year for true. And behave so, and the boy alone can't go to toilet. Tell me in which we are disabled man supposed to depend on social media. I do this more than once, more than twice, more than thrice.
Last time, me never take one dog because you last dirty woman. Woman, go beg, go suck one big cocky.
Hey, look y'all, $100 there in front time. People are put up money at Jamaica, hold on. Pause the video. He say you have money, you no come here. And he ma put up money for landlord, see $100 there. How what them there? Them there money? Pound you put up enough, so you count the pound then 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Come on. You no look here, oh. Help me out. A money that? Jamaican help me out. You no see money there?
Dirty Erica. Dirty man lad. Your skin black. You feel like 11 minutes. If you are 11:59 p.m. Dirty man lad. Go suck your mama. Go suck your wrinkle pussy. My mama young and green, and it, trust me, my mother. Okay, I'm done. Never stop. I don't want to react to that. Alright, I'm done. You're lucky, my sister Savior, man. You're lucky, my sister Savior. Me done with you, you know. Wait till me by myself. Me, I'll come back for you. I'll come back for you. You better open up my port, you know. Open up my port. Can you say that? Box me up.
I wish animal use box me.
Watch me, yo. Alright. My God here. My God. Watch.
Oh no, hold on. Make we see. At this, I saw. Oh no, look how him all box me. Look. Look how me all get the box. Watch the box come up. How the blood clot? No. Oh no, look here. Watch her. Watch her to Ross clot now. And what kind of box this? And with the blood clot a toilet tissue. Wait. You know want to see how me all get the box? Hold on. With the blood. Oh, to 12 o'clock after you, when vampire come out, you couldn't say 12. You forgot to have 12 vampire rise. Of course, me alright for stay. Yes, I am a God bless. So me 11:59. After that, me done. But you rise at 12. Who don't you know about that tax? Remember, you know, vampire rise at 12. So yes, me reign Pangadland till level 59. Yes, I am level 59. And you are the creature of the
There you
night.
have it, guys.
That's why you don't
The
fear
clip
that.
of Dwayne.
See,
Now
you
go
couldn't
ahead
say
and
12.
subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share as well.
You could
Thank you.
never say 12.